See, I was gonna stop and get coffee, but the line goes all the way back to the back of that car. I'm not about to wait in that line. Love coming out and seeing that. Dude, but she's gotta get lowered. The wheel gap is less. Ugh. Good morning. This video is literally just a chill day. Like, I'm just gonna vlog a chill day. Today, I have to go all the way out to Atlantic City, New Jersey, to the ACES car show, the Atlantic City Enthusiast Summit. They're shutting down the Showboat Hotel, basically, for a ton of cars. They're shutting down the beach for trucks and Jeeps. They're shutting down the garage for a meet. It's gonna be crazy. This is apparently supposed to be a pretty big turnout, so we're heading out there. It's 9 in the morning. You know, it's like a 2-hour drive ahead of me. It starts at 11, so I think I'm right on track, so catch up with y'all later. We finally made it to Atlantic City. Holy hell, that was a hell of a drive. We got trucks over here to the left of me. Trucks and Jeeps, SUVs, stuff like that. But the Showboat is actually right there. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get inside. There's the Showboat right there. I got trucks and Jeeps. You can kind of see one right there, but they're like over here. But yeah, we got to head in there, see all these cars. All the trucks and stuff are over here. We got one on a trailer here. That thing's probably, woo! That thing probably scoots. Win this truck. Okay. Dude, but there's just something about all black, dude.
Stand up. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Hell yeah. Hey, DJ, bring that. I'm the goddamn reason you in VIP. CEO. You don't have to sound like G.I.L.E. We ain't got nothing to worry about.
The trucks out here are nice as hell, but there's like no people out here, as you can see. We made it. Time for the car show. I love this place, man. Atlantic City's awesome. Arcades, bro. Can't ever go wrong with an arcade. All the cars. Another ST. Let me get your rotiforms, dude. I'm trying to find these wheels. I've never seen a Chevy before, but this thing's clean. This is a damn Honda Element. I respect it. Looks like something lifeguards would drive, but it's dope.